It's really low.
That one is low.
This one's about, look at how bad it is. It's so close. Because it's about to come out from behind that tree.
Oh, yeah. Do you need anything else inside?
Mm-mm.
Do you have the front door?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, last night, right when I got into Milwaukee, there's shit, dude, fucking floating all over the sky.
Yeah, see, I told you.
When I went to because I was getting off the highway and I was going up, and I seen all of them. Then all of a sudden, when I pulled in to stop, I was way down lower.
Oh,
Damn, that's just moving slow as fuck, too.
I know, that's what usually happens to me. This is like one of the first few that I've caught like out in the open that close. It's like exactly where it went over yesterday too. And it just stops. And then it goes. Did you just hear the car making that whining noise?
What?
Hear the car making that whining noise? Damn, that's got to be the closest I've ever seen one like in such bright light.
I know, but it's just like hovering. Because like now, like when you're looking at it with your eyes, dude, you can see so much detail.
Really? That's so crazy. Wow. Look at how close it is.
Dude, I know.
Dude, it's so fucking close.
So bright.
I'd be so afraid.
And it's not even blinking.
No.
It's just a solid
Flashing light. And it's gonna come right here. Look at it, like turned and went right around.
It looks like it, dude. Like how we seen in those ones where we saw it, where it's like a light. And
yeah.
like that, like, but it's like a disc.
That's crazy.
In a second, it'll be.
It's gonna be right out in the open. Oh, look at it. Oh, there's two of them. There's another one too. Hear that dog freaking out? Oh wow, look at, there's one right above it. You hear that noise? What is that, babe? Oh, is it?
Look at it, it's like stop.
Yeah, it's like slowing way down. Dude, it's like bright blue. Like this bright blue comes off of it. It makes the whole sky in the video look so blue. Oh wow, look at it. It's dropping like below the house now.
Is it?
Yeah. It's like, it's just down below this house. I can't even see it. Just drops straight down to the ground.